What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am doing an oil change on Tazie. If you don't know who Tazie is, it's this girl right behind me here. She is my 2021 TRD Pro Toyota 4Runner. So let's just jump right into the video. Don't mind, hopefully you can forgive these angles, but this is the front of the vehicle. Obviously this is the TRD skid plate. There's 4 bolts here. They're 14 millimeters. 2, 1, 2. And further back just a little bit, there's 2 more. I'm going to take these out, and the skid plate is going to come. So we got that skid plate off, and here is where the oil filter is. I'm going to show you what to do with that. Further back, there's this other little skid plate here. You remove this little door panel right here. Pops down. These, I believe, are 12 millimeters. Give me 1 second. Yep, 12 millimeter. And then you have access to your drain plug bolt right there. All right, we got the drain plug out. And look at that. Look at that flow. It's called laminar flow. I only have just under 3,000 miles on there. You can still see that the oil is practically red. I just want to like doing the preventative maintenance. Whoa, look at, almost dropped it. I'm gonna go take the cap, oil fill cap off from up top, and this is gonna come out much faster. All right, guys. So as you can see, the oil has just come to a slow drip. I am going to be installing one of these guys here. If you don't know what this is, it's so you don't have to take your drain bolt out anymore. Just stays in. You just unscrew this little cap here, and screw a hose, and the oil is just going to drain out. It's going to be super clean, no mess. Rather, I should say, less of a mess. But this is how I'm going to put it up in there. Tighten it down. This is 7/8 inch socket with a 1/2 inch adapter down to 3/4. And there you have it. This little cap keeps dirt and stuff from coming in. Then I got this little funnel tube thing where when it's time for the next oil change, unscrew this cap, screw this in, and it'll come straight out into your catch can right here. All right, guys, if you didn't know, this is the 3/4 inch square drive that you use for the 3/4 sockets. Take that out. Get my oil catch can here ready just in case stuff decides to start flowing out. Nothing should come out though. See, just that little bit did. That's why I had this measure here. But now, see this guy? I'm gonna screw that in right there, and you're gonna see all this oil come out. All right, guys. Hopefully you see this. This tube is super long, but I'm gonna screw it in up top. Uh-oh. All right, so see, it's coming out. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to get this. All right, I don't know what it was that you were going through. Who did my oil change from Toyota? But man, that thing was on there so tight. It's ridiculous. Thought I broke it. But in the new filter you get, it tells you exactly the instructions step by step on what to do. So just gonna follow those. But it comes with everything you need. Let me show you real quick. The box is torn up. Thank you, Amazon. But this little piece here, you put inside of that hole right there, and it drains the oil out, so you don't need that long tube that I used. So it comes with that. Also comes with the O-rings you need, as well as the brand new OEM Toyota filter. All right, guys, so this is the oil that I used, the Valvoline Restore and Protect 0W20. I am not sponsored by Valvoline, although if you want to sponsor me, be happy to take it. Just noticed this sticker here. It says voted product of the year 2025. But if you know about this stuff, it is amazing. Watch the marketing videos. I know it's you may think it's propaganda, but this stuff works. If you guys enjoy the video of changing Tazie's oil, leave a like, comment down below. And the next video I post, I'm gonna try and see if it's going to be the skid plate painting or if I'm gonna do the transfer case front and rear differential fluids. All right, see you guys next time. God bless.